Hi developers, and welcome back to the queen of the craft room. In today's video I'll be doing a makeover vase, whichever you call it. Okay, I pick up this vase from Ross. It was on sale for $10. I believe the original price was $25, so I got it for $10. Now I'm gonna do a makeover in it. I like the groove and everything, the design I should say, so I'm gonna do a makeover in it. Alrighty, so we're gonna need some glitter. I picked this up from Walmart. I got it for $5. I mean, it was a long time, but when I see them, as I said, I pick them up and put them down. We're gonna need some gems. I also picked this up from, I believe it's either Joanne, I don't have in the pack, Joanne or Hobby Lobby, but I believe it was from Joanne. So I did go ahead and take out some small ones and put them in here, the ones that I need to use. Okay, we're gonna need some Mod Podge and we're gonna need some glue. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna Mod Podge this as I go along. I'm not gonna do all of it. So I'm gonna Mod Podge some, and you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Alrighty, so we have some paper here. So we're gonna bling it out. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go in section, which is a lot of section. So you're not gonna see me do all this section. Okay, I'm just gonna start 1 and 2. So we're gonna start right here. Just like that. So we're going to go around the vase. Just like that. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sections to do. So I'm gonna do that, come back, and then we'll move on. Okay guys, I decided to skip 1 row each, because when I look at it, I won't be able to put on, you won't be able to see. I guess because the the glitter is too thick, it's not the fine one. So what I did is skip each row. So I'm gonna put on the gemstone in between the row. Okay, so I'm gonna start 1 as usual. And then I'm gonna do the rest. I am looking for my pick. This is not the pick I want, but I'm gonna go with this one. So this is how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna fill up in here. Just like that. I'm starting from I'm gonna do the top, but I'm just gonna do it right in here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's a silver. I don't need a silver. To find the right pick. It's not the right pick. It's taking too long to pick up. So this is what it looked like. I'm wondering if I should put a silver instead of a gold, because you can hardly see it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do all of that, come back and show you what this look like. Okay guys, so This is what she looks like. So I'm gonna put her on display. I'm gonna find some flowers for her. Okay, so I'm gonna find some flowers for her to on display, and we'll all see. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. And I put my favorite flowers. Guys, you know I love these flowers. Oh, forgive me, but I love these flowers. So I'll be using these flowers a lot, okay? Don't come at me. I love them. But I love this. This is beautiful. We could tell you would take a plain vase from Ross and bring it out like this. Okay? So this comes to the end of my video. I want you guys to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you wish to do so. And tell me what you think about this vase. Alrighty, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn the notification bell also each time I upload. You know, you'll be the first to know. Until I see you in my next video. Ciao. Love ya.